Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to listen to Audible. So, first of all, you want to create the Audible account, and you can make it through your Amazon account or just create another Audible account that is not connected to your Amazon account, but it also can be the same accounts. So just sign in to the Audible, and once you have done that, download the Audible application, and also keep that in mind that Audible is not free. And here are the plans: the Audible Plus, which is $8 per month, and also the Audible Premium Plus, which is $15 per month. And this gives you all the originals, audio sleep talks, meditation programs and podcasts on the Audible Plus, and also with the catalog. And with the Premium Plus you got everything that is here, and also you get one title per month from an extended selection of bestsellers. So this means you get 1 credit every month, and you can exchange it to every book that you can find on the Audible. And I do really recommend the Premium Plus because there is not a lot of on the Plus catalog. I will show you that in a moment. So once you have bought the subscription, also you can try the 30 days trial. So and now I do have the free trial, the 30 days trial. You're going to get the credit after first billing, first payment of your plan. So now what you can do is to go to Discover. Let's go back, and here you're going to find the Plus catalog and Audible originals. So let's click on the Plus catalog, and you can listen everything from here. So let's say maybe I want to listen to some podcast, or maybe not a podcast, maybe this one right here. Let's say The Second Victim. And if you want to listen to the audiobook, just click play, and this is going to get you to the episode 1, as you can hear right now. And also with this 3 dots right here, you can choose which episode, chapter, or just the part of the audiobook you want to listen. And this is basically it. So thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel.